How exciting! You must be planning a move to or from Argentina. Well, you landed in the right place because 3 Movers is your go-to company that is here to help you with your international move. We have all the experience necessary to help you every step of the way so that you will be confident that the big move will be a huge success. 3 Movers will not only help you with packing and unpacking, we will also be there to handle all the logistics involved with an international move, which can be very daunting. We understand that making an international relocation is a very difficult matter, but don't worry because we're here to take your stress away. We even have full coverage insurance so you don't have to fret about your items getting stolen or damaged. If you have a vehicle that needs to be transported, we are experts in shipping cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, boats, and other large items, such as heavy equipment and more. Our phone lines are open 24/7 to help with any questions or to give a free quote. Call us at 888-908-6496, and one of our friendly team members will be happy to assist. If you prefer to do business online, visit our website, 3movers.com, and fill out the form for a free quote.